Good afternoon, everyone. This is CJ Gibson, and this is going to be another market analysis on gold. Now, if you remember what I posted last week, I'd extended this correction to a larger degree, WXY, and then our B leg of our triangle ended here. But the price action that we got this week caused me to go back and have my first mindset as my outlook on this, and that's that the ABCDE of the triangle formation in our wave 4 is already complete. And as much as I would like for this to come here, drop down, and we consolidate a bit more, I'm looking at this as maybe a truncated E wave, which means that we came down in a smaller degree, A, B, C, and we're complete here, rather than this being a B, C down to our E or possible C leg. So, what made me change my mind on this and go back to what I was looking at this formation being at first is this. So, it looks like we came up in 5 clear waves. So, we got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And instead of this being an A and coming back down aggressively, it looks like we kind of consolidated in this area. I was looking for this to be maybe a B, and then C down, or some other type of formation. This could have been our B leg here, or somewhere in this area, or maybe even a little bit beyond this point. But since we consolidated, I knew that that interpretation was wrong. And if we go down to our 15 minute, I kind of counted this consolidation to see where we were, and it's pretty clear on the 15-minute time frame. So let's go here again. When we came down in this ABC, I was looking for maybe the market to make a flat here, creating our B, and then down in 5 waves for our C leg to be our larger degree B, then up to our C leg in our larger degree B in a complex ABC of our E. But since we did not, it looks like we came up here, back down, and then we kept going up. So I counted this now as a leading diagonal: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have our larger degree 1, 2, and then our leading diagonal 1 over here to our 2 leg, and that also changes our critical resistance. So we've not broken critical resistance, but since we've tapped critical resistance and created a leading diagonal, now I'm looking at this as a bullish structure. So I would now move my critical resistance. Let's see. I would move my critical resistance to our larger degree wave 2, and I would move my key resistance to our smaller degree wave 2, because this wave 2 could be just an A leg going up to the B and then C to give us a little bit further downside before going up. Or we could have our A, B, C, 2 and be complete. The market does like to make complex formations here and there, so you don't ever want to be too sold on any given bias. You want to let the market confirm to you, and then as it confirms to you, you uh you pretty much commit to it. Now, if you would like to go on a less aggressive entry, because me personally, I'd be looking for price to maybe come down a little bit at the open of the market today. Today's Sunday, about 2:09 p.m. And then I'd be looking for my buy entry somewhere in this area. Or if you want to be a lot less aggressive in this, because this is going to be a swing trade, you could also wait for the market to break this trend line on our BD trend line. So you could enter now, or you could just wait. It may be a day or so, but any close above this trend line. So if the market comes up here, it might retest this trend line and then go up further. Or if you want something that's a bit more aggressive, what you can do is this: you can wait until we get an hourly candle closing above what was my prior critical resistance, which was this horizontal line here. An hourly close or a 2 hourly close above this horizontal line, you could be bullish. Now, uh, yeah. Yeah, because I'm from the look of this formation, I'm no longer looking at this as a in a complex correction. It's too many signs that we're about to be bullish and we're going to be breaking completely out of this triangle. Because if this is a 1-2-1-2, our third wave should be a 161.8 extension of this, and we should be going up a lot further here. That's going to do it for today. I hope you guys have a great trading week. And if you have any questions or need any assistance managing accounts, passing funding challenges, signals, and so on and so forth, please reach out to me. My Instagram is MND Investments, and I also have my Telegram channel posted in the comments. Thanks. Have a great week.